Hey everybody, this is Paige, your TTL, and I have realized that with Teams we need to change a setting, okay, to make sure it pops up every time you log into your computer. So if you go to your desktop, there is an icon here that you can double click to open Teams. I have saved mine to my taskbar at the bottom just so it's always here. So if you want to do that, you just right click on the icon and go to pin to taskbar. Mine says unpin because mine's already there, but you would just click pin. If you can't find it, you can just click the little magnifier right here and type in Teams and it will pop up there too. So however you want to, just double click on it, let it open. Be patient. It does, take a couple, seconds to sync up. And so what I need you to do is go to where your little name picture icon is and click it. Go to settings. And the other day, I thought this made more sense, but this middle option, open application in the background, this does not need to be checked. So uncheck that. So the only ones you should have checked are auto start and on close. Okay? And so once you do that, you're going to hit the close button and then close here. And so the next time that you log back in, it should automatically start, and hopefully we will all be able to get into Teams.